The Black Wraith battleship is one of the powerful Cutthroat ships in Sea of Conquest, but it is completely pay to play. The only way to get it is through the Fortune store. But the real question is, how much does getting a Legendary Black Wraith with all legendary skills cost? Welcome back to Meta Instincts. We decided to buy one and record the spending to determine the cost for you guys. We will also explain each available option for getting it. Fortune store. The Fortune store is currently the only place to obtain the Black Wraith or its blueprints. To make any exchange here, you need pirate tokens. These pirate tokens come from events like the Iron Lord throwing event. Every throw in this event costs a fortune voucher. Unfortunately, the event is not designed with free-to-play players in mind. You will have to purchase fortune vouchers to keep throwing, and even then, you're relying on luck since the drop rate for pirate tokens is very low. Black Wraith offers. Let's talk about how the Fortune store offers the Black Wraith. The most straightforward way is to exchange 800 pirate tokens for a Legendary Black Wraith. This option is expensive but gives you the best version of the ship. It has 3 unique legendary skills and the highly desirable Lethal Fury as its ultimate skill. This is the strongest configuration you can get with peace of mind. The second option is to spend 200 pirate tokens for a Legendary Black Wraith with only 1 legendary and 3 epic skills. This version is not great for battle due to the weaker skill set, but it can still serve as a material ship for enhancing your main Black Wraith. Another method is to exchange 200 Black Wraith blueprints, which cost 300 pirate tokens. With these blueprints, you can craft 10 Black Wraith ships, and the game guarantees one will be legendary. This method is slightly cheaper than direct purchase. You might get a ship with multiple legendary skills if you're lucky. However, landing Lethal Fury as the ultimate skill is entirely up to chance, and the odds might be low. There's also an option to buy blueprints in small batches of 20, but this is not recommended. To collect 200 blueprints this way, you will spend 360 pirate tokens, which is more expensive than the previous blueprint method. However, if you only need 100 blueprints, this option is preferred. Finally, an advanced build method requires 20 Supreme blueprints that cost 480 tokens, and 100 design blueprints that cost 180 tokens. It guarantees Legendary Black Wraith with a selectable ultimate skill. However, the remaining skills are random, and the total cost is 660 pirate tokens, which is only slightly cheaper than the 800 tokens option. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. How much? Frankly, we underestimated the money required to get a perfect Black Wraith, or we are just bad luck. Let's start with 100 fortune tickets, which cost around $250 from the bundles. We got 388 pirate tokens in this throw, which were only enough for the second, third, and fourth items. We are still far from the 800 targets. We spent another 100 tickets in the second round and accumulated 859 pirate tokens. We exchanged 800 tokens for a perfect Legendary Black Wraith with peace of mind. The total cost is $500. Now, the big question is Black Wraith worth this cost? How does it compare to the armor-piercing setup? We will explore its performance and provide a Black Wraith guide in the next episode. If you are interested in this topic, comment Black Wraith below. That's the end of today's sharing. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.